Meet John and Maria. They already have an alarm inside their home, but they installed an outdoor Dragonfly security system to provide another layer of security outside their home. Their Dragonfly system includes 3 wireless outdoor cameras, 1 camera on their front porch, a second covering their back deck, and a 3rd camera protecting their detached garage. John and Maria now have advanced warning of prowlers before they break in. Entirely independent from their existing alarm and keypad, the Dragonfly security system uses their smartphone to arm, disarm, and control the system. If an intruder trips their armed outdoor camera, the Dragonfly app alerts them to review the video and use the dispatch feature to send the video alarm to a professional operator for priority police response when it is really needed. This means that the police can focus on nabbing the bad guys before they get inside, as opposed to responding to a false alarm. In addition, the Dragonfly app can alert them that a package has been delivered, or if someone is walking around their garage. Battery-powered outdoor cameras are easy to install and only communicate with their owner's home, up to 1,000 feet away. With the app, John and Maria can invite trusted friends and neighbors to receive Dragonfly alerts from their outdoor cameras and create a virtual neighborhood security system to protect their community.